back to my channel, and if it's your first time to come here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click the tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. Today, as you can see in the title down below, I will be sharing to you guys some techniques or ways that you can creatively wrap your Christmas presents for your loved ones, and it is still part of my Christmas series. And if you haven't watched some of my videos na kasali sa Christmas series ko, I will put all the links down below for you to check those videos out. At the last part of this video, guys, there is a little bit of surprise for you guys, and yeah, I'll talk to you in the last part of this video. Let's go. First one is this ombre pink gift wrap, and what I got here is it is just wrapped this gift with a plain white paper and then painted it with pink one na mas makapal dito sa baba and then lighter hanggang pataas. So ayun, para may ombre effect lang siya, and then added a brown or copper ribbon, and then also on top is a gold ornament, ayan, na parang leaves lang siya or flower. Moving on to this party-inspired gift wrap is just a plain white cover also. And then I added a double-sided tape and then just dunked it into the confetti that I made, which is just a paper tissue of pink and yellow, and just press it down para talagang kapit na kapit yung mga confetti mo. So that's it. Tapos tap it down na lang para matanggal yung mga excess na mga confetti. And look at this. This is so cute, guys. Parang party-party talaga siya. Moving on to this music-inspired gift wrap. I just used a brown paper here. I think it's a Manila paper, and then printed out a music sheets, and this is the Jingle Bells. You can just search in Google kung ano yung mga music sheets. Madami namang mga available dun na free. And then I added a brown ribbon with the pink one, and added a pink ornament with the glitters, of course, para Christmas na Christmas siya. The simplest kind of creative, on a creative side na mga gift wrapping is this one. Like, this is good for those who are simple lang yung mga gusto nila, like for the books. And I wrapped a yarn, a pink yarn, sobrang dami na pink yarn, and then made a tissue paper flower just like that. Na very simple lang yung pagkakagawa ko naman, guys. Kayang-kaya tong gawin kahit ng elementary kasi, ayun lang, parang dinikit ko lang naman siya. So cute, right? Mabaeng-mabae. The last one that I will be showing to you guys is this. This is my favorite among all the gift wrapping techniques. Is, of course, I have again the white one, the white paper, and then just dotted blue paint using the pencil, yung eraser part ng pencil, and then added the silver ribbon, and of course an ornament na naka-wrap lang siya doon sa may bow ng ribbon. And sobrang cute niya kasi pwede rin tong gawin nyo, guys, together with your niece, with your kids. Ginawa ko to together with Bebe Girls, of course. Yan, nag-dot-dot din siya, and ang cute lang talaga niya. Sobra. This is perfect for the boys, or pwede nyo rin naman i-change para maging fit siya sa iba pang personality ng mga loved ones niyo. So those are the creative ways that you can wrap your gifts for your loved ones. As promised in the end, at the end of this video, there is a little bit of surprise. So I will be giving away some of the products that I love. And the first one is, of course, this nose pore purifying balm from Eye White and nose pack, 2 nose packs. And then I also got a Watson's Gel Body Scrub in the scent Strawberry and Blueberry. And of course, I got a scented candle for you guys para medyo ma-enjoy nyo pa kahit patapos na yung Pasko or yung season. So I will put all the mechanics down below kung paano nyo makukuha itong price na to, guys, para konti lang. Sa mga susunod na videos, meron pa ulit. So keep on watching my videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have an Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me with the username JoyOfMIa, and I'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Bye!